Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Daily University School, morning day shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I am about to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 1, BQ, Board Question 6, 8. Discussion. Today's topic is Chapter 1, Board Question 6 and 8. Discussion. Term half yearly 2021. Today's lecture number 12. Today's lecture number 14. And I will give HW on the basis of today's lecture, which number will be 12. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. Chapter 1, BQ 6. Write Iman Muzmal with meaning in English. Answer. Iman Muzmal means to declare Iman in brief. Iman Muzmal is Amantu billahi kama huwa bi asma'ihi wa sifatihi wa qabiltu jami'a ahkamihi wa arkanihi. Meaning of Iman Muzmal. I believe in Allah as He is and with all His names and attributes. And I accept all of His principles and commands, laws, orders. This is the answer of BQ number 6. Write Iman Muzmal with meaning in English. Okay, dear students, now we'll start question number 8, BQ 8. Describe in detail the word to depend on Allah. Answer. The first word of Iman is to believe in Allah. We believe in Allah that He is one and unique. He is eternal. He is the eternal and infinite. He is the first. He is the last. He knows all, hears all, and sees all. He is the cherisher and sustainer of all creatures. Mainly, all living beings are depend on Allah. Okay, dear students, this is the answer of question number 8. Describe in detail the word to depend on Allah. Okay, dear students, it's enough of today's lecture. Now I want to give HW on the basis of today's lecture. Today's HW number 12. And topic of today's HW is write answer of the question number 8. Okay, dear students, you have to write down answer of this question. Question number 8. Describe in detail the word to depend on Allah. You have to write down from here to here. Okay, dear students, you have to do your assigned HW on the very carefully and correctly and submit your HW on every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah, with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.